Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn English in 30 days and you feel that English is difficult, confused or scared, then this video is especially for you. Today I will share a realistic and practical 30 days plan that anyone can follow even if your English is very basic. So watch this video till the end because missing one step can slow down your progress. First, let me be very honest with you. Learning English in 30 days does not mean you will become perfect like a native speaker. But yes, in 30 days, you can become confident. You can start thinking in English and you can speak basic to intermediate English without fear. The key is the right method, not talent. Most people feel because they try to learn everything at once. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, writing, reading, all together. This creates pressure and confusion. Instead, you need a simple daily system. For the first 7 days, your focus should be only on listening and speaking, not grammar rules. Start your day by listening to simple English. You can listen to short English videos, basic conversation, or slow English podcast. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning sound and pattern. This is very important. Along with listening, start speaking from day one. Yes, even if your English is broken, speak in front of a mirror or talk to yourself. For example, say simple sentence like my name is, I am learning English. Today I am happy. I am going to work. This may feel strange, but this habit builds confidence very fast. During these first 7 days, learn only 5 to 10 daily use sentence every day, not more. Quality matter, not quantity. Speak those sentences again and again until they feel natural. Don't write too much. Speak more. From day 8 to 15, you should start thinking in English. This is the most powerful step. Stop translating in your mind. When you see something, name it in English. For example, this is a chair. That man is walking. I am drinking water. Your English may not be perfect, but your brain will slowly switch to English mode. In this phase, you should also start learning basic grammar naturally, not by memorizing rules. Learn how to talk about the present, past, and future using simple example. For instance, I eat food, I ate food, I will eat food. Speak these sentences aloud every day. Grammar will improve automatically with uses. Now from day 16 to day 23, your focus should be on conversation practice. This is where most learners stop, but this is where real growth happens. Try to answer simple questions in English like what did you do today? What is your job? What do you like? Record your voice on your phone and listen to it. You will notice mistake and that is good. Mistake means learning. Also start using English in real life. Speak English while thinking, while walking, while doing daily work. Even if people around you speak Hindi, continue your English practice silently or softly. Consistency matter more than environment. In this phase, you should also start learning new word from your daily life, not from long word list. If you see a word again and again, learn it. Use it in a sentence the same day. A word you become permanent from day 24 to day 30. Your goal is fluency and confidence. Now stop worrying about mistake. Completely focus only on flow. Speak continuously for 2 to 5 minutes on any topic. Your day, your work, your future, your dreams. Don't stop even if you make mistake. Fluency come from continuous speaking, not perfect speaking. In these last days, start watching English videos without subtitle or with English subtitle. Try to understand the idea, not every word. This will improve your listening speed and confidence. One very important rule for all 30 days in this English every day, no break, even 20 minutes is enough, but it must be daily. Learning English is like going to the gym. If you stop progress, stop. Anything important point is mindset. Don't compare yourself with other. Don't feel say. Don't wait to be perfect. English is a skill, not an exam. The more you see, more use it, the better it become. Remember, English is not learned by reading rule. English is learned by listening, speaking, repeating and using. If you follow this 30 days plan honestly, you will be surprised by your own progress. If you believe in yourself, practice daily and don't fear mistake. English will become your friend, not your enemy. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, like this video, share it with someone who want to learn English, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.